We are headed to Waterrock Knob and Browning Knob. Waterrock we've done, what, 3 times? A couple times. And we've even done it in the snow, which was a lot of fun. It was really cold. It's a little cold now. It's going to get high of 50 today, and we're definitely not quite there yet, but it's okay because we like to hike in the cold. So we've never done Browning before, and it's not a marked trail, like there's no real trailhead. You start up Waterrock, and then almost to the summit, you're going to take a left onto what looks like a deer trail. And if you don't know what a deer trail is, then I know that you are not from any kind of rural parts or do any hunting. But you take this trail off to the side of this deer trail, and it takes you to a crash site of a Cessna. And it's been there, I think it's about 30 years. I'll have to relook at my notes on it. But it's one we found out about the last time that we were in the Maggie Valley, Waynesville area. And it was at the end of our trip. And actually, we were just coming down Waterrock Knob when someone was asking us about it. So I immediately came home and researched it and figured out where it was and how to get there, and have been dying to do this hike for 2 years. So I'm super excited today. We've carved up at Joey's Pancake House, and now we're gonna hit this trail, and I'm just super excited about it. Is there anything you want to add?
No.
All right.
Wait to see what happens.
It's 24 degrees out, and it's so cold and windy, and the water in my water bottle is actually starting to freeze, but it's so pretty. The summit of Waterrock. We weren't able to video the past a little bit because the trees were throwing ice on top of us, and it got kind of sketchy. But we're here.
So Dave, where are we going?
We're going to the plane crash on Browning Knob, and I'm so excited. We just met another hiker, and he was telling us it's super duper icy, so we just need to be careful.
Yellowish orange markers. They look like they're about every 30 to 40 feet. Hey babe.
I'm following these orange trail markers, and it's kind of like playing hide and seek with them.
What do you think about the trail, babe?
I love this. I love the rock scrambling. I love the mossy trees. I love that it's super challenging, but it's fun. Like, I feel like a little kid. I'm so excited.
So we're started up Browning Knob, and if you'll notice the knob behind me, that's where we just came from, which is Waterrock Knob.
So we took a little accidental detour about a half a mile too far, but we got back on alltrails.com and figured out where we're supposed to be. Met another hiker who was going the wrong way too. Ah, he sees it. And thanks to All Trails, there was somebody who said veer left at the top of Browning, so that's what we did. And we're probably 50 yards from it. So I really don't want a mountain goat too much further down, but you can see some wreckage right there. And then there's actually some behind me. I mean, it's scattered everywhere. I mean, this plane just was in pieces.
Welcome to North Carolina. Yeah, probably tomorrow will be 70.
I've actually got a piece next to me. I'll show you. On top of Browning Knob, and you have got to see this view.
Way up in the mountains, 4,000 feet high, there's a trail through the trees to a cliff where Carolina meets the sky. Oh, and there's a view I just can't describe. No, we're not there yet, just a few more steps, baby, wait. Okay, you can open your eyes. This is it, this is now. This is what I've been talking about.